Now, today I'll be discussing the first costly mistake that people make when branding their big idea or rebranding their business. It's basically that they don't start with intellectual property. Thinking about intellectual property or IP the instant you have a new idea or project is the best way to protect an idea. Why? Well, because ideas alone have no protection under the law. The fact that you thought of something first or that an idea is yours means nothing in the world. The minute you reveal your idea, anyone may freely use it. Writing down your idea and giving it to someone to hold as proof that you had the idea first does absolutely nothing to protect the idea either. Nor does using non-disclosure agreements indiscriminately help much. It's surprisingly easy to overlook the importance of IP in the early stages when developing your ideas. You see, the internet has changed the rules. The assets of a successful business nowadays tend to be intangibles like names, websites, designs, trade secrets, and the like. Do bear this in mind when embarking on new projects or creating your brand. One good reason to think about IP first is so you can understand how to protect the idea as you give it a commercial form, who to reveal it to, how much to reveal, when to be secretive, and when to freely spread your idea. You don't want to be all paranoid about revealing the idea, otherwise you wouldn't get anywhere with it. On the other hand, you need a good commercial understanding of the world, business and IP, in order to know how much to reveal and when. Intellectual property is an umbrella term that refers to the 5 legal disciplines that protect and govern creations that originate from the mind, that is, intangible assets. These creations might take the form of inventions, designs, art, written materials such as blog posts, music, secret recipes, brand names, etc. These IP laws are known as patents, trademarks, copyrights, designs, and confidential information, or trade secrets, to use a common term that describes a type of confidential information. How it works is that one or more of these laws protect a given subject matter. For example, music is protected by copyright, names are protected by trademarks, and inventions are protected by patents. Some things are protected by more than one type of law. For example, logos are protected by copyright, designs, and trademarks. You could end up wasting a lot of time and money unnecessarily, all because of some easily avoidable IP mistake. An extreme example of how failure to understand IP can result in loss is the karaoke machine. Mr. Daisuke Inu, the inventor, earned nothing from the billion-dollar industry that the invention spawned. He never thought of patenting his invention till it was too late. Had he done so, it could have made him millions. Reflecting on his experience, one can't help feeling that it's unfair that it was the multinationals and not him who made massive financial gains from the invention. However, the law is clear. As soon as you reveal your ideas, you lose the possibility of patenting if the idea was for an invention. In a world where opportunists are waiting to pounce on the latest new idea, you need to understand the role of IP in protecting an idea. As soon as ideas are in the public domain, you can no longer patent them, and others are able to freely make use of them. But it's not just if you have an invention that you could lose out by not looking at IP first. You see, turning an idea into a business or product and brand involves knowing how to make the idea spread, how to help it to stand out and be memorable. How ambitious are you for your idea? How much would it matter to you if you made the wrong IP decisions? You see, IP is property just like land is property. It's the most valuable property your business or idea can be turned into if you get it right. Don't start by going to designers for branding, such as to get a logo or website. You see, designers won't be able to help you with IP. That's not their expertise. Most of them might know just a little bit more about IP than the general public, but not nearly enough to help you to protect your ideas.